Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cikgu Darrel, and today we shall continue on our final topic, which is Module 10, What's the Matter? Sing a Song. But before that, let me introduce to you first a few new vocabularies for today. Let's look at the picture right in front of the screen. What's the matter with the man in the picture? He has got headache. Headache. Next, what's the matter with the man in the picture? He has got stomach ache. Stomach ache. What's the matter with the man in the picture? He has got earache. Earache. Next, what's the matter with the boy in the picture? He has got toothache. Toothache. What's the matter with the lady in the picture? She has got sore throat. Sore throat. What's the matter with the girl in the picture? She has got cough. Cough. Now, I'm going to play to you a song and I want you to listen and sing together if possible. At the same time, I want you to take note as well the different kinds of matter that you can see in the song or video. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hey, what's the matter?
I've got a stomach ache.
Why?
Because I ate 10 pancakes.
Hey, what's the matter?
I've got earache.
Why?
Because I swam in a cold lake. Hey, what's the matter?
I've got toothache.
Why?
Because I ate chocolate cake.
Hey, what's the matter?
I've got a headache.
Why?
I don't know, but it aches.
Now, based on the song that you have watched and listened just now, I want you to look at the picture here. What's the matter? Look at the boy in the picture. What's the matter that he has? He has got stomach ache. Stomach ache. Did you get it right? It's okay if you get it wrong. We can have a next guess for the next picture. What's the matter with the boy in the picture? You see, his hand was on his ear, so he has got earache. Earache. Next picture. What's the matter? You see the little girl, she put her hand on her cheek. And if you can see, the place that she put her hand is near to her tooth. So, she has got toothache. Toothache. Did you guess it correct? Last picture. What's the matter with the little girl? You see her hands are on her forehead. So obviously, she has got headache. Headache. Did you manage to get all the answers correct? If you managed to get all the answers correct, can you please write down at the comment section below my video and say, Cikgu, I guessed all the answers correct. Alright, now we are going to practice with the structure for today, which is has got and also have got. We're going to learn a very short and simple session about how to use has got and have got. I want you to look at this table. Remember, when we want to use has got, because of the verb to have, has, then has must be referred to the subject pronoun of he, she, it. Whereby, for have got, we need to refer to they, we, I, you. Just have to remember this chart. When there is a subject pronoun of he, she, it, we use has got. When there is a subject pronoun they, we, I, you, we use have got. That's simple. Now, we are going to do some practice, and I want you to remember this table. If you can't remember this table, maybe while listening to the video, you can jot down this table on a piece of paper. So while we are doing practice together, you can just refer to the table on your own. Okay, now let us try to look at the examples. I bet for now you should have already jotted down the notes that I have shown in the previous slide on your piece of paper. Okay, we look at the first question. What's the matter with Jack? Jack is a boy or girl if you look at the picture. Jack is a boy. If Jack is a boy, which subject pronoun shall we use? He, she, it, they, we, I, you. Which one? Jack is a he. So when we use he, which one should we go for? Has got or have got? He has got, based on the table that I have shown you in the previous slide. So now we know that he has got. Jack is a he, so we use he has got. We look at the picture again. Where is Jack putting his hands at? He's putting his hands at the forehead. So the answer here is he has got headache. He has got headache. Alright, try the next picture. What's the matter with you? Okay, now the question is turning the pronoun to you. So if somebody asks you, and when you want to answer, we use I. Subject pronoun I. When we use subject pronoun I, which one should we go for? Has got or have got? Have got. So means that this structure is I have got. We try to look back at the picture again. What is the man having? He's having a earache. Earache. So the answer here is I have got earache. Why is it we use I? Because of the question. The question asks, what's the matter with you? So just assume that the man in the picture is you. Next. What's the matter with Jim and Jess? Which one is Jim? Which one is Jess? Obviously, Jim is the name of the boy and Jess is the name of the girl. Now, there are two people in the picture. Okay, when we say Jim and Jess, which subject pronoun should we use to replace Jim and Jess? He, she, it, they, we, I, you. Which one? It should be they. Okay, so when we choose the subject pronoun they, which one should we go for? Has got or have got? Have got. Refer to the table that you have jotted down on your paper, yeah? So, they have got. Alright, they have got what? We try to look at the picture again. Wow, putting the hand on their faces, it means that they are having toothache. So, they have got toothache. They have got toothache. Can you answer on your own? Okay, if you can't, just replay this video, or if you still have any question further, feel free to ask at the comment section below this video. And if you think you are good to go, I have a homework for you to do. This is a link that I provide for you on Google Form. You can just click on the link that I have provided at the description below this video, and if you're a teacher and you want to make a copy of this exercise, feel free to do so because I'm going to provide another alternate link for you to make a copy for your students. As usual, don't forget to go to my Facebook page, like my page, and also like this video, and at the same time subscribe my YouTube channel Cikgu Darrel, and don't forget to hit the bell button right beside my subscribe button so that you will always get notified once I have already uploaded my new lesson video. With that, thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next video.